Hello everyone, I am Syed, faculty of Pound Z School. I want everyone should download the NCERT book and start solving the NCERT question. Now today we will start with new chapter, that is second chapter, fractions. You have already learned about the fraction in previous classes. So let's recall. What is a fraction? When we break a whole number into a different parts, that is the fraction. So breaking of a whole number into different parts. So let's see the example. This is the circle, or you can say this is a cake. Okay, circular cake. This is the circular cake, and we have divided this cake into 4 parts. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you have eaten one part. So what fraction of a cake you have eaten? So you have eaten this part. How you will write this part in a fraction form? So we write 1 upon 4. That means this denominator, this is called the denominator. And this is called the numerator. Denominator says that how many parts you have divided the cake. The denominator shows in how many parts you have divided the cake, and numerator shows how much part you have taken. Okay, so we have taken one part out of 4. Now if I ask the question, what is the remaining part, and we have to write this remaining part in fraction. So since this remaining part, how many parts are there? 4. And this remaining parts, how many parts the remaining part contains? 3. So 3 by 4 is the remaining. So you have eaten 1 by 4, and the left is 3 by 4 is left. Now types of fraction. The first type is the proper fraction. If I write 1 upon 4, so 1 upon 4 is the proper fraction, because the numerator here, the numerator is less than the denominator. So this is the proper fraction. Okay, if I say 3 by 4 part is left, so this is also a proper fraction, because here also the numerator is less than the denominator. But improper fraction, so if I say 5 upon 4, here the numerator is greater than denominator. Therefore this fraction is called the improper fraction. Okay. Third part is the mixed fraction. So mixed fraction, we write 1 whole 1 upon 4. So we read it as a 1 whole. This is the whole part. This is whole, 1 whole, and this is called 1 upon 4. This is called 1 upon 4. So 1 whole 1 upon 4. What do you understand by the mixed fraction, and what does it means 1 whole 1 upon 4? So suppose that this is the one cake and this is another cake. 2 cakes are there. One cake, one whole. So we have taken this whole one cake, we have eaten this one whole one cake, one, and from this second one we cut this cake into 4 parts, and from this part we have taken one part. Suppose that I have taken this part. So this is 1 upon 4. So we have eaten one whole cake, and from second cake one part. So we have to write like this, 1 whole 1 upon 4. Now we have to convert this improper fraction, this is the improper fraction, into a mixed fraction. So how we have to convert? 5 you have taken as a divisor, and 17 you have taken as a dividend. Means denominator is always taken as a divisor and numerator as a dividend. Now 5 3 ja 15, so the remainder is 2. So this is the remainder, this is the quotient. So we write 3 as a quotient, 2 as a remainder as the numerator, and 5 parts, so 5. So 3 whole 2 upon 5. So this is how we have to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now we have to convert mixed fraction into improper form. So how we have to convert? Just the reverse process of the division. So 3 whole 4 upon 7. So this 3 and this 7 is get multiplied. 3 into 7, that is 21. And this is the remainder which is added to here. So plus 4, that is 25. This answer becomes the numerator and this is the denominator. So we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper form. So we have to write like this, 25 upon 7. This is the answer. Now pause the video and solve the given worksheet.